Okay, Bert Rabbe with MultiCam SIG again. Let's talk about repairing a spoilboard. Every one of us are going to end up making a ding in the spoilboard, no matter how hard we try to remember to do all the right things. It's just going to happen. What's not okay is to leave it for the next person to deal with. It's real simple to fix a ding in the spoilboard. We have available, and you'll see a picture of where it's located. This material, it's a powder. You put a little bit of water. A little bit of water goes a long way. Mix it up until it's the consistency somewhere between toothpaste and peanut butter. And then spread it into the hole. Try to scrape away as much of the part that doesn't have a hole in it as you can, but leave enough that the surface is full. It dries quickly. It doesn't shrink. And when you have finished, it's real easy to sand it back down and try to get all of the material gone except where the repair was actually made. You don't want to leave an excess on the spoilboard. It'll plug the pores up, and we depend on the porous board to pull things through. But we do want to fill in the holes. This is important. You know, we're all going to have this problem happen to us. We all need to fix it. It's our spoilboard, every one of us. So do this. Trying to think of a way to drive this point home. It's kind of like going to the bathroom. You know, the job's not done till the paperwork's finished. Okay, When you finish the job and if you've damaged the spoil board, putty it. If you're really, really pressed for time and you got to get out of here, all right, the next person can sand it. You know, I won't mind coming in and while the spindle's warming up, sanding down a spot that somebody didn't get the time to smooth out. But I don't want to have to fix your hole. You don't want to have to fix my hole. So let's all work together on this. Thank you.